So, so hello guys. So today we are going to show you how to make glow in the dark solution. So let's begin. So first you need an ink bottle, a glass bottle. So first fill your glass bottle with water. Okay.
Now I have added the water. Now it's time to add ink to the water. So now I'm going to open the ink bottle. Now I'm going to add some ink into the cap. Then I'm going to add this ink into this glass bottle that contains water. Yeah. So we're adding the ink. So we have added the ink. Now we are going to close the bottle and shake it. Be careful not to spill the ink. Close the ink bottle. It will get fucked up. Okay, now our solution is ready. Here we go. I had diluted the solution because I had added the ink a lot, so I added a bit of water. So now this is the result, as you can see. So thanks, and make sure you like and subscribe if you like the video. We'll meet next